Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. Hi, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, we have started with a new topic of adding fractions. Okay, so this was the topic that we have done in the yesterday's session. Okay, sorry, we have started with the yesterday's session. So today I'm going to continue with the few more sums from the same type. Okay, so I have just given you an example that how you are going to add a figure. Okay, so that is divided into different parts. Okay, and you are going to add the fraction of each of the part of that fractions. Okay, I'm just going to give you one more example. Suppose this is a figure that is given. Okay, and now I'm dividing into some parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so देखिए मैं इसको कुछ अलग अलग उसमें डिवाइड कर रही हूँ. Okay, I'm just considering some part of it. Okay, sums like this. Okay, so now the question is given that add the fraction of the shaded part of this given figure. As you can observe, this figure is shaded with two different patterns. तो ये figure दो different patterns में मैंने आपको दिखाया, shade करके दिखाई है. The first one is like a line and the second is circle one. So you can see that this given figure is divided, shaded with two different patterns. Okay, so first of all we will write the total parts. So first thing देखिए, अगर हमारे पास ऐसा question दिया होता है, so that we have to see that in how many total parts this given figure is divided. Okay, so this is the first thing that you have to observe, or you can have to see that in how many equal parts, how many parts that given figure is divided. Okay, so let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this figure is divided into 16 parts. Okay, 16 parts. Okay, so बेटा सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे? First of all we are going to write the fraction of the shaded figure in the shaded part with two different fractions. तो दो different fraction में जो shaded part को हम पहले उसको वो लिखेंगे. So let's write down. So how many parts out of 16 are shaded like this? Zigzag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means 5 parts out of 16 are shaded with zigzag pattern. Are shaded with zigzag pattern. So 5 parts out of 16 are shaded with zigzag pattern. Clear? Next one, the circle one. So how many parts of the given figure is shaded with circular pattern? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, this is also 5 out of 16. So that is 5 parts are shaded with this, 5 parts are shaded with this. Okay. Now we have to find the total number of shaded part. अब हमें पैटर्न के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं, हमें टोटल शेडेड पार्ट बताना है. So the total shaded part निकालने के लिए we are going to add the shaded part, that is the add the fraction of the shaded part of two different fractions. Okay, so हम क्या करेंगे? We will add the fraction of the shaded part of the given figure with two different patterns, 5/16 and 5/16. So that will be, let's take the common denominator 16 as they both are having. Now add this and this, both numerators, that is 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 upon 16. This is the answer. So the answer is 10 upon 16. So the shaded figure, okay, or you can say the shaded portion of the given figure is 10 upon 16. Okay, so this is how you are going to add the shaded part of any given pattern. Okay, so देखिए आपको ऐसे ऐड करना बेटा. Okay, so this was the addition that I have shown you on by using the figure or the shaded pattern. You must do this in your notebooks. Okay, so just do it in your notebooks by drawing the proper figure and doing all this calculation. Okay, चलिए moving next to one more method that how you are going to add the given fraction. So now we are going to do the sums in the number form, that how we are going to add the fractions. अब हम fractions को कैसे add करेंगे? Okay, add question number 2, add 3 upon 7 and 1 upon 7 and 1 upon 7. Add these two fractions. So we have to add these two fractions, that is 3 upon 7 and 1 upon 7. So let's take the common denominator of both the fractions, that is 7. दोनों का हमने common denominator लिया, that is 7. So let's add them. So before taking the common denominator, first of all we will write the fractions in the proper form. तो हम addition के sign के साथ दोनों fractions लिखेंगे. Let's add them. 3 upon 7 solution 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7. So the common denominator for both them is 7. Okay. So 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7, common denominator is 7. Then 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, that will be equal to 4 upon 7. And this will be your answer. So the answer is 4 upon 7. Okay, so in spite of writing it here, I will write down. So 3 upon 7, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Denominator will be same, that is 7. So 4 upon 7 is your answer. Answer is 4 upon 7. Okay. Let's move to the third question. So the third question is 3 upon 14 and 5 upon 14. 3 upon 14 and 5 upon 14. Let's add them both 3 upon 14 and 5 upon 14. So the solution is, first of all we will mention both the fraction with the sign of addition. तो हमें जो दोनों fractions को add करना है, we will write it like this by putting the addition sign in between. Okay. So 3 upon 14 plus 5 upon 14. Now let's take the common denominator for the both of them, as they both are having the 14 as their denominator. So the common denominator is 14. That is 14. Now add this and this. 3 plus 5. Add 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5 is 8. Denominator 14. So the answer is 8 upon 14. Answer is 8 upon 14. Okay, so this is the how you are going to add the fractions. Chaliye, moving next to the fourth one. Okay. Okay, you can pause it here and note it down afterwards. Chaliye, now moving to the next two parts. The fourth one is 2 upon 4, you have to add 2 upon 4, sorry, 2 upon 9 and 4 upon 9. That is 2 upon 9 and 4 upon 9. Add 2 upon 9 and 4 upon 9. Okay. So this is the solution. So first of all we are going to write the first fraction, that is 2 upon 9, and as we are going to add them both, we are going to put an addition sign here. Then 4 upon 9. So we have to add 2 upon 9 and 4 upon 9. Okay, so they both, these are the like fractions, so they have the common denominator, they have the same denominator, that is 9. So I'll take the common denominator 9. Now add the numerators of both the fractions, that is 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Denominator 9. So the answer is 6 upon 9. Answer is 6 upon 9. So this is the answer. Okay. Chaliye, moving next to the fifth one. The fifth is 5 upon 11 and 4 upon 11. 5 upon 11 and 4 upon 11. So now we have to add these two fractions. So let's add them. 5 upon 11 plus 4 upon 11. 5 upon 11 plus 4 upon 11. Let's take the common denominator, as they both have the like fractions, that is 11. So they both are having the same denominator, so that's why I have taken the common denominator, that is 11. Okay, now let's add their numerators 5 and 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. The denominator is 11. So the answer is 9 upon 11. Answer is 9 upon 11. Okay. So this is how we are going to solve the given fractions. Moving next to the sixth one. Okay, so for noting down, just note it down in your notebooks by pausing the video here only, class. Okay. Chaliye, moving next to the question number 6. Okay, so we are moving to question number 6. Okay. Question number 6 is, now add 3 upon 17 and 5 upon 17. 3 upon 17 and 5 upon 17. Now let's add both these fractions. Okay. Solution. Okay, so add 3 upon 17 plus 5 upon 17. 3 upon 17 plus 5 upon 17. Let's take the common denominator 17. Okay. Add both these 3 plus 5. Okay. So after adding 3 with 5, you will get 8. The denominator is 17. And this is your answer. Okay, if you want, you can write the answer separately as well. Chahiye to instead of writing it here. Okay, it looks more good. It looks better. You must write the answer like this. Answer is equal to 8 upon 17. Answer is equal to 8 upon 17. Okay. Moving next to the question number 7. In the question number 7, we have to add the two fractions, that is 1 upon 9 and 4 upon 9. And 1 upon 9 and 4 upon 9. So we have to add these two fractions now. So here's the solution. 1 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9. 1 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9. Okay, so again they both are the like fractions, so we will take the common denominator 9, and now we are going to add their numerators. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 9 as it is their denominator. So after adding 1 plus 1 upon 9 and 4 upon 9, we get 5 upon 9, and the answer is equal to, answer is 5 upon 9. So this is your answer. Answer is 5 upon 9. Okay. This is the solution of question number 6 and 7. And you can pause it here and note it down in your notes. Okay, just one more thing बेटा, before solve देखिए अगर आपको समझ में आ गया है sum, so you can pause the video, okay, and start doing the next sums by yourself. ठीक है, वीडियो पॉज करके next जितने भी few sums बचे हैं just try to do by yourself, okay, and make sure that after doing the questions you recheck it as well. उसको recheck भी करिए कि जो भी आपने किया है whether it is correct or not. This must be done by you, but just make sure that you at least try to do by yourself. ठीक है, देखिए हर बच्चा अपने आप नहीं कर पाएगा, कुछ सब मुझे सबके लिए करना होगा. ओके, बट अगर आपको समझ में आ गया तो यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो हियर ओनली एंड जस्ट ट्राई टू डू बाय योरसेल्फ, एंड आफ्टर देन जस्ट रीचेक एज ऑल्सो कि जो भी आपने किया है वेदर इट इज करेक्ट और नॉट. क्लियर? चलिए, मूविंग नेक्स्ट टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. ओके, सो आई एम मूविंग टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Okay, so in question number 8, you have to add. Okay, so now from question number 8, देखिए up to question number 7, we have to add only 2 fractions. But from now question number 8, we are going to add 3 fractions. Okay, but that doesn't mean कि मतलब कोई typical चीज़ है. This is as simple as you are doing with the addition of 2 fractions. Just like that, you are going to add the 3 fractions. But the important thing that you have to keep in your mind that they all must be the like fractions only. Okay, you can add the like fractions easily rather than unlike. तो unlike के लिए बेटा भी आपका actually मैं topic भी नहीं है आपकी क्लास में, so you have to add all the like fractions only. Okay, so let's add. In the 8th question, the fraction is 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. So that means you have to add 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. So we have to add these 3 fractions. Okay, let's add them. 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. अब आपको 3 fractions use करनी है and you are going to write these 3. Clear? Again, as we can observe, all these 3 fractions, they have common denominator, or they are like fractions, so they have the common denominator, that is 4. So let's add the numerator. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. So that is 3. Denominator will be same, that is 4. So after adding these 3 fractions, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4, we got the answer, that is, answer is 3 upon 4. So this is the answer we got here, that is 3 upon 4. Okay, चलिए, moving next to the question number 9, that is also a fraction. Okay, addition of the fractions. So in the question number 9, we have to add 2 upon 7, 1 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. that is 2 upon 7, 1 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. So now we have to add these three fractions. Okay, so let's add them. Okay, so first of all we are going to write them by putting the addition sign in between. So 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. So तीनों fractions हमने लिख ली. 2 upon 7, 1 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. Okay, and these three have the same denominators, so that means that this is a like fraction. So let's take the common denominator, that is 7. ठीक है, दोनों का तीनों का हमने common denominator ले लिया 7. So let's write the numerators. The first is 2 upon 2, second is 1, third is 3. 2 plus 1 plus 3. Now add them. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. Denominator is 7. So the answer we got after adding 2 upon 7, 1 upon 7 and 3 upon 7 is 6 upon 7. This is the answer, that is 6 upon 7. This is the answer, that is 6 upon 7. Okay, so you can pause it here and note down the solution of question number 9 and 8 and 9 from exercise 8.6 in your notebooks. Okay, and just complete it by yourself. Chaliye, moving next to question number 10. Okay, next question number is question number 10. Okay, so the question number 10 that we have to add the three fractions, that is 3 upon 17, 4 upon 17 and 5 upon 17. 3 upon 17, 4 upon 17 and 5 upon 17. Okay, so now we have to add these three fractions, 3 upon 17, 4 upon 17 and 5 upon 17. Okay, so let's add them. Let's add these three fractions, 3 upon 17 plus 4 upon 17 plus the third one, that is 5 upon 17. So let's add these three fractions. Okay, so as we can observe, these three fractions, these are like fractions. So like fractions क्या होती हैं? The fractions, those who are having the same denominators, are termed as like fraction, and these three fractions, they have the same denominator 17. So we will take the common denominator for both of them. Okay. So let's take the common denominator, that is 17. Okay, now add the numerators, 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, that is 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. That is 12. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Now the denominator is 17. So the answer we got after adding these three fractions, 3 upon 17, 4 upon 17 and 5 upon 17 is 12 upon 17. So this is the answer that I am going to write separately as well. Answer is equal to 12 upon 17. So this is the answer, that is 12 upon 17. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 10. Moving next to the question number 11. Question number 11 is, now in question number 11 we have to add 2 upon 9, 1 upon 9 and 5 upon 9. Okay, so let's add the 11th one. 2 upon 9, 1 upon 9 and 5 upon 9. 2 upon 9, 1 upon 9 and 5 upon 9. So let's add these three numbers, so these three fractions, not numbers, fractions. Okay, solution. So let's write them. 2 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9 plus 5 upon 9. Okay, so now we are going to add these three fractions, 2 upon 9, 1 upon 9 and 5 upon 9. Okay, so as we can observe that these three are the like fractions because they have the same denominators. So we will take the common denominator for these three fractions, that is 9. That is 9. So let's add them. 2 plus 1 plus 5. So these are the numerators of the three fractions. 2 plus 1 plus 5. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. The numerator is, the addition of the numerator we got 8. The denominator is 9. So the answer we got, that is 8 upon 9. So this is the answer that we got after adding these three fractions, that is 8 upon 9. Okay class, chaliye moving next to the question number 12. Okay, you can pause the video here and note down the solution of question number 11. Chaliye, now moving next to the last two questions of the same exercise 8.6, that is 12. So first of all we are going to do the question number 12. Okay, so in question number 12 we have to add 6 upon 21, 3 upon 21 and 5 upon 21. So we have to add 6 upon 21, 3 upon 21 and 5 upon 21. So we have to add these three fractions, 6 upon 21, 3 upon 21 and 5 upon 21. So these three are the common fractions. Okay. Okay, so let's add them. 6 upon 21 plus 3 upon 21 plus 5 upon 21. Okay, and okay, so as these three are the common fractions, so we will take 21 as a common denominator. Now add the numerator 6 plus 3 plus 5. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. That is 14. Denominator will be same, that is 21. So the answer is 14 upon 21. This is the answer, that is 14 upon 21. Okay. Chaliye, moving next to the question number 13. The 13th one is 2 upon 19, 3 upon 19 and 7 upon 19. 2 upon 19, 3 upon 19 and 7 upon 19. Okay, so let's add them all. This is the solution. Okay. So add 2 upon 19 plus 3 upon 19 plus 7 upon 19. Okay, so let's take the common denominator, that is 19. Now adds the numerator. 2 plus 3 plus 7. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. That is 12 upon 19. So this is the answer that we are going to write. 12 upon 19. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 12 and 13 from exercise 8.6. Okay. So with this we have completed the exercise as well. So I'm ending the session also. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a good day.